If you've ever been to Cairns, you've probably hit that point where you've got a whole day with nothing booked and you're wondering, what do I do with myself? The first option, head to the woolshed and drink the day away. Second option, repeat step A and then maybe rent a car, and just an hour out of Cairns, you got this. Alright, bring that in real quick. Let's get exploring. You can actually swim in that one, which is super sick. Really, really beautiful spot. It's always nice when you can, you know, jump into a waterfall. Super tranquil, super, super peaceful. Absolutely no tropical insects, and there's this like powerful, powerful surge of water that you sort of have to fight the whole time, you know. So much so it creates this little like weather system at the bottom. The wind is, well, it's really hard to breathe when you're under it. And you just can't see anything. There's just water in your face, exactly like it looks on television. So peaceful. And yeah, Garnier, what's the saying? Anyways, beautiful spot. We're off now to the road we're on is literally just covered with waterfalls, waterfall after waterfall. So we're gonna basically roll on down, see what we find. If not, there's a lookout at the other end and there's a town to grab coffee and stuff on the way. And let's get adventuring. By now, we were ready for a feed, so we stopped in at Milla Milla, and, well, the local real estate agent seemed to double as town DJ in his off time. I don't get it. Best part is, they're not even open. His beats can seriously be heard across the whole town. Anyways, moving on. So the kid nailed it. Here's my attempt.
What was that? Once more, go back.
Alright, now this isn't much of an ending, but we're down here ending our day at Bramston Beach. Currently getting ravaged by tropical mosquitoes. Everyone we slap is just full of blood. So anyways, if you made it this far, hope you had a good time, and yeah, do the thing. There's probably plenty of more epic videos on my channel than this one, but anyways, it was a fun day. Hope you enjoyed, and if you do find yourself in Cairns, well, renting a car cost us something like 80 bucks each, and yeah, that's including fuel. So anyways, till next time.